Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
A prince of Warri Kingdom, Emami, says the recent statement credited to Chief Mene Brown indicating that princes in the Warri Kingdom have no locus on chieftaincy matters is not only unfortunate, but it is also self-indicting. Prince Emami, who spoke exclusively to Inside the Niger Delta on the recent chieftaincy tussle in Warri Kingdom, said by Chief Mene's own admittance, the suspension of Chief Ayiri Emami by the princes of Warri Kingdom in 2021 to pave way for the selection and installation of Ogiame Atuashe III was indeed illegal. Following the demise of Ogiame Ikenwole I in December 2020, it became the responsibility of the Ologbosere of Warri Kingdom at the time, Chief Ayiri Emami, to midwife the process of selection and installation of another Olu of Warri. Chief Ayiri's unwavering insistence on adherence to the 1979 chieftaincy edict, which had been used 5 years earlier to disqualify Ogiame Atuashe III, meant that his chances of becoming Olu of Warri was zero. To get Ayiri out of the way and bypass the 1979 chieftaincy edict, some princes of Warri Kingdom gathered together and suspended Ayiri as Ologbosere of Warri Kingdom.
Chief Ayiri Emami, having exhibited actions and tendencies unbecoming of the position he occupies, and having proven himself unworthy of the Ologbosere stool, is hereby suspended from the Warri Kingdom.
In a recent exclusive interview with Inside the Niger Delta, close advisor and Ogwa Olusan of Warri Kingdom, Chief Mene Brown, says the princes have no locus on chieftaincy matters.
Even princes, when they gather together, they do not, as princes, have a voice to determine who is a chief and who is not a chief.
Prince Emami says Mene Brown's statement has grave implications.
I, Prince Emami, I took the lead in the activities that suspended Ayiri Emami from being a Ologbosere and appointed Yashere as acting chairman of the Warri Council of Chiefs. That singular action paved the way for the current Olu to mount the throne. So if God Mene is saying that I, as a prince, or princes in Warri Kingdom don't have a say, then automatically he is saying that everything we did at that time is illegal.
At the time of Ayiri's suspension, Inside the Niger Delta spoke exclusively to one of the 5 kingmakers, the Oshodi of Warri Kingdom, and legal luminary, Chief Isaac Jemide, and this was his response at that time. As far as we are concerned, that suspension is null and void.
Oh, absolutely. I don't know, not only null and void, it is madness. It's wrong in all forms. In Latin, in law, it said, nemo dat qui non habet. You cannot give what you do not have. You cannot take what you did not give.
Clearly, all parties involved in Chief Ayiri's suspension as Ologbosere of Warri understand and agree to a large extent that the suspension of Ayiri at that time was both illegal and irresponsible. Prince Yemi, however, says there was a good reason for the action.
We did certain things that were not correct. The law is very clear. All right? We took certain steps, certain actions, in the hope that when the Olu emerges, the Itsekiris will sit down and look at the provision of that law and see how best we can tinker with it to be in compliance.
When Inside the Niger Delta contacted Chief Ayiri for his comments on this development, he declined comment, saying he is already in court challenging his illegal suspension as Ologbosere by the princes of Warri Kingdom. If the court grants Ayiri's prayers, it will mean that everything done from the selection and coronation of Ogiame Atuashe III will be declared null and void.
Inside the Niger Delta.